When I heard my name, everything just felt very surreal.
Cambridge International AS Levels, first place in Thailand, Sila Sip Amon Sibiwat, Singapore International School of Kenya.
Because even though I've had this Cambridge award before, but this time around it was 4 of these awards. I knew that this came at a cost, and I studied really hard for this and I worked really hard for this, and it just felt like a very happy moment. I don't think I'm much more exceptional than any of my peers in any way, so in that way there's no one determining factor that I can call the secret. But if I were to choose something, I would like to say that it's about my consistency. Every day I try to make myself work and find motivation even on the days that I might not feel like it so much. First, I would like to say, since I've joined, I can see a very profound difference, because back when I joined, school wasn't so well known, and since then it's grown so much, both in terms of the facilities and the campuses, and also in terms of the staff and the education here. I think the growth of the school has made for many more opportunities, and there can be more co-curricular activities and events that can be organized for my peers and I, and this gives for a very holistic education, which is important nowadays to not only focus on the academics. Of course, I need to thank my parents for giving me this opportunity, because without them, I would not be here and I would not be enrolled into SISB. Secondly, I would need to thank my teachers, because without their guidance and without all the knowledge that they've imparted to me, I don't think I would have done as well, and I don't think I would be here where I am today. Lastly, I would like to thank everyone for making this journey so much more enjoyable and helping me achieve the success I have today.
More than an educator, more than a school.